In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do royal icing. Welcome to Garfin's creation. For the royal icing, I have taken half egg white and 150 grams of icing sugar and a quarter teaspoon of lemon juice. Whisk the egg till it is nice and frothy. This will take around 2 minutes. Once it is whisked well, we will be adding the sieved icing sugar little at a time. To get a smooth royal icing, always sieve the icing sugar before using it. I will be adding little icing sugar at a time till I get a stiff consistency. Now I'll be adding the lemon juice and continue whipping it. You can use this royal icing recipe for all your decorating needs. If you want to decorate cookies, just keep it a little soft consistency. I'll be making a stiff consistency type of royal icing. We are almost done. As I swirl around, you can see those lines are still there and they are not sinking back into the icing. It means the royal icing is ready. You can use any color for coloring the royal icing. Here I'm using yellow gel color. In my Marzipan Easter egg video too, I have demonstrated how to do this royal icing. You can check that video too. I will color some more and keep the icing bags ready, and I'll show you a little decoration. Our icing bags are ready. I'm just decorating an Easter egg. This is a closed star nozzle which gives lovely flowers. You can check the consistency of the royal icing. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel and share this recipe to whoever might need it. Bye bye till the next video.